Good morning, students. Today, the next topic is drawing solids on a flat surface. Let's say first one, how to draw oblique sketches. In the drawn picture, the length are not equal as they should be in a cube. Still, you are able to recognize it as a cube. Such a sketch of a solid is called an oblique sketch. What is an oblique sketch? It is a rough diagram of three-dimensional figure whose lengths are not actually the length of given figure, but it looks like that figure. For example, say cube. If you draw a oblique sketch of a cube, the cube is a three-dimensional figure. How will you draw its sketch in two-dimensional figure? Here we draw front face like this. In first step, say draw the front face like this. Then step 2 is draw the opposite face. Size of the face have to be same, but the sketch is somewhat offset from step 1. Here dimensions are same. Draw figure like this, and then in third step join the corresponding corners, that is this side, this side, this side, and this side. You will get a cube like this. Redraw using dotted lines for hidden edges. It is a convection. You will get a cube like this. Here these dotted lines, here the dimensions are not same, but it looks like a cube. So this is called oblique sketch of a cube. Now come to next. Second is isometric sketches. What is isometric sketches? Here to draw sketches in which measurements also agree with those of the solids. We can use isometric dot sheets. Here, isometric sketches are exact figures with exact dimensions of the given 3D-dimensional figures. For example, if you draw a rectangle in isometric sketch, then you have to use dot papers. The dot papers are this type of papers in which dots are there like this, and these dots have a special characteristics. That is, if you join any three dots, you will get a equilateral triangle. For example, if you join dot, this dot, and again this dot, you will get an equilateral triangle. If you join this dot and this dot, again you will get a equilateral triangle. If you join this dot and then this dot, again you will get a equilateral triangle. If you join this dot and this dot, again you will get a equilateral triangle. So such type of dots are called isometric dots, and you can get isometric dot sets from the market. On isometric dot sets, try to draw these figures. Here, see first step. Here draw a rectangle to show the front face. Here how many dots are joined? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means the length is equivalent to 4 centimeter. And what is the breadth? 1, 2, 3. That is breadth is 3 centimeter. Then step 2. Here draw 4 parallel line segments of length 3 starting from 4 corners of the rectangle. That is this line, this line, this line, and this line. You have to draw 3 centimeter. You have to take 3 centimeter and draw these sides. Then third step is connect the matching corners with appropriate line segments. That is, join this part, then this side and this side. You will get a cuboid. This is an isometric sketch of the cuboid. This is called isometric sketch of a cuboid. Now come to exercise 15.2. Question number 1. Use isometric dot papers and make an isometric sketch for each of the given shapes.
Come to exercise 15.2. Say question number 1. Use isometric dot paper and make an isometric sketch for each one of the given shapes. They say first part. Here take isometric dot paper. It is of this type. The say first part. Here length is 6 centimeter. Here take 6 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then breadth is 2 centimeter. Here take 2 dots, that is 1 and 2. Here again also take 2 dots, that is 1 and 2. Then join this. It will be 6 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now height is 3 centimeter. Here take 3 dots, that is 1, 2, 3. Here again also 3 dots, that is 1, 2 and 3. Again here also 3 dots, that is 1, 2, 3. And here also 3 dots, that is 1, 2, 3. Now join this. It will be 5 dots and 6 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this also 6 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then join this. It is 2 dots, that is 1, 2. Here again 2 dots, it is 1 and 2. So this is your first figure. Here length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So this is your isometric sketch of first part. Now come to second part. Here you have to draw isometric figure. Here let us take 2 centimeter, that is 2 dots, join like this. Then again you have to take 2 centimeter, to take 2 points, that is 1 and 2. Then again 2, like this. Then again 2. This becomes a square. Then below again take two dots, that is 2 centimeter. Then again 2 centimeter, that is 2 dots. Then join again 2 dots. Then here from here 3 dots, that is 3 centimeter. 1, 2 and 3. Again here also 3 centimeter, that is 3 dots. 1, 2 and 3. Here you have to take 2 dots, that is 2 centimeter. 1 and 2. Again here you have to take 2 dots, that is 2 centimeter. Here again 2 centimeter, that is 2 dots. Again here take 2 dots, that is 2 centimeter. Now here again take 2 centimeter, that is 2 dots, like this. Then from here again take 2 dots, that is 1 and 2. Then here again 2 dots, join this. Then here you have to take 3 dots, that is 3 centimeter. 1, 2 and 3. Join it. Again from here 3 dots, that is 1, 2 and 3. Then from here again take 2 dots, join this. Then from here 2 dots, 1 and 2, join this. And here you will get 8 centimeter, that is 8 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is your isometric figure. Now write down the dimensions. This is 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. Then this is 3 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. And this is 8 centimeter. So this is your isometric figure. After this, come to third part. Here it is 1 unit, that is 1 centimeter. Join this. Then again 1. Then again 1. Then 1. There 4 units, that is 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Join this, it is 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Again here 1, 1, 1 and join this, it is 2. So this is your third figure, that is third isometric figure. Now come to fourth one. Here it is 2 units. Take 2 dots. Then your length is 3 centimeter. Take 3 dots. That is 1, 2, 3. Here again 3 dots. That is 1, 2, 3. Then join this. It is 2 dots. 1 and 2. Then below it is 2 centimeter. That is here take 2 dots. Again here take 2 dots. Then here 3 dots. 1, 2 and 3. Then here 2 dots. That is 1 and 2. Again here 2 centimeter. That is 2 dots. That is 1 and 2. Then join this. It is 3 dots. 1, 2 and 3. Then again here 2 dots. That is 2 centimeter. 2 dots. Again here 2 dots. 1, 2. Here it is 3 dots. That is 3 centimeter. Then again here 2 dots. That is 2 centimeter. Here again 2 centimeter. Then join this. It is 1, 2 and 3. Then again here 2 centimeter. 1, 2. Again here 2 centimeter. That is 1 and 2. Then here 3 centimeter. That is 1, 2 and 3. Then here join this. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. Then here again join this. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 dots. Here dimensions is this is 2 centimeter. This is again 2 centimeter. This is again 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is again 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Again here it is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Again this is 6 centimeter. That is 6 dots. So this completes your fourth part. This is the isometric figure of fourth part. Come to question number 2. The dimensions of cuboid are 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Draw 3 different isometric sketches of this cuboid. So again take isometric dot paper, and on that we have to draw 3 isometric sketches of dimension 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So let us take length 5 centimeter, that is 5 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again its height is, let us take 2 centimeter, that is 1 and 2, and breadth, that is 3 centimeter, that is 3 dots, 1, 2 and 3. Here let us take this breadth 3, that is 1, 2 and 3. Height is 2, that is 1 and 2. Here height is 2, that is 1 and 2. Here again height is 2, that is 1 and 2. Now here length is 5 centimeter. To join these 5 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here again 5 dots you have to join, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again here join this 5 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here breadth is 3. To join 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. Again 3 dots, 1, 2 and 3. So this is your first figure whose length is 5 centimeter, that is 5 dots. Breadth is 3 centimeter, that is 3 dots, and height is 2 centimeter, that is 2 dots. So this is your first isometric figure of dimension 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Let us draw second isometric figure of same dimension. So let us take length as 3 centimeter, that is 3 dots, 1, 2 and 3. Then breadth as 2 dimensions, 2 centimeter, that is 2 dots, 1 and 2. Here again 1 and 2. This is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now your height is 5 centimeter. Let us take 5 dots starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again from here 5 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again from here 5 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again from here 5 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then join this, it is 3 dots, that is 1, 2 and 3. Here again 3 dots, that is 1, 2 and 3. Here it is 2 dots, that is 1 and 2. Here again 2 dots, 1 and 2. So this is your second isometric cuboid of length 3 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. So this is your second isometric figure of same dimension. Now let us take, in third case, let us take length as 2 centimeter. Here it is 2 centimeter means 2 dots, 1 and 2. Then take breadth as 5 centimeter, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Height is 3 centimeter, that is 1, 2 and 3. Again height is 3 centimeter. Let us draw this, 1, 2 and 3. Height is 3 centimeter, that is 1, 2 and 3. Here breadth is, length is 2 centimeter. Draw 2 centimeter. Then here breadth is 5 centimeter, that is 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then here 2, that is 1 and 2. Here it is 3, 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. Then join this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here it is 2, 1 and 2. So this is your third figure of dimension. Your length is 2 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter, and height is 3 centimeter. So this is your third isometric sketch of dimension 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. Into question number 3. 3 cubes, each with 2 centimeter edge, are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Sketch an oblique or isometric sketch for this cuboid. So let us draw an oblique sketch of question number 3. See, it is question number 3. Here length of cube is 2 centimeter. So let us draw a cube of length 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is length 2 centimeter. Then its height, again it is 2 centimeter. This length, it is 2 centimeter. Again here its side is 2 centimeter. You have to draw a square of side 2 centimeter. Here take 2 centimeter. Again 2 centimeter. Join this, it will be 2 centimeter. And this is again 2 centimeter. Join this side, again this, again this. So this is a square of side 2 centimeter, and breadth also it is 2 centimeter. Now you have to attach again similar square of length 2 centimeter to it. So again produce it 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Again produce this 2 centimeter. Again produce this 2 centimeter, and produce this side also a 2 centimeter. Then join this, it will be like this. Then join these sides. Then from here join this, and then this. Here we have attached two squares of length 2 centimeter. We have to attach one more square of same dimension. So again produce this side up to 2 centimeter. Again this side up to 2 centimeter. Again this side by 2 centimeter. Again this side by 2 centimeter. Then join this, again this, then this points and this. Here we have attached 3 cubes of length 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So this is your oblique sketch. Now let us draw isometric sketch of the same cuboid so formed. What is the length of cuboid so formed? It is 6 centimeter. So let us uh, draw this sketch on isometric dot paper. Here length is 6 centimeter because 3 cubes are attached. Their length will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 centimeter. Here we have to take 6 dots. Here I have taken 6 dots. Then breadth will be 2 centimeter. It is 2 centimeter. Here breadth will be 2 centimeter, and this side will be of 6 centimeter. Now your height is again 2 centimeter, that is join 2 dots, it is equivalent to 2 centimeter, like this. Again from here it is 2 dots, again from here 2 dots, then join this, it is 2 dots, again here 2 dots, then this is 6 dots, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is again 6 dots, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is your isometric figure of question number 3. Here length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter, and height is 2 centimeter. Now come to question number 4. Make an oblique sketch for each one of the given isometric shapes. So let us take a plane figure, a plane page. Here you have to draw a oblique sketch of the given isometric shapes. Here see first one. Here let us start from top, and top is 2 centimeter. Here let us take this top, it is a square of length 2 centimeter. Here we have to make a square of length 2 centimeter. It is 2 centimeter. Now this is 1 2 3 4 centimeter. From here you have to draw 4 centimeter. Again from here 4 centimeter. Then join this, it is 2 centimeter. Then again this is 2 centimeter. Again it is 2 centimeter. This is again 2 centimeter. Then here again it is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Again here it is 2 centimeter. So all these dimensions are of 2 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. And this side it is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. And this side it is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. So this is the oblique sketch of first figure, that is first shape. Now come to second shape. Here the faces, front faces are rectangles of length 5 centimeter. So let us draw this as 5 centimeter, and then this as 4 centimeter, then this is 4 centimeter, again this is 4 centimeter, again this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and this is again 5 centimeter, again this side it is 4 centimeter, then draw this side 4 centimeter, then this as 2 centimeter, again this as 4 centimeter, join these sides, here this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is again 4 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. So this is the oblique sketch of second isometric shape. So these are oblique sketches. These are oblique sketches of isometric sketch. Come to question number 5. Give an oblique sketch and an isometric sketch for each of the following. So say question number 5. First part, let us draw oblique sketch. Here a cuboid of dimension 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So let us take length as 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Then your height is, this is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Again, this is 3. This is 5. This is 5. This is 3. Join this. Join this. Join this. And join this. So this is a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter, and height 3 centimeter. So this is your cuboid. Now B part. In B part, here you have to draw a cube with an edge 4 centimeter long. You have to draw a cube of length 4 centimeter. So let us draw this 4 centimeter. Four centimeter. This side also 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Then again 4 centimeter. This has 4 centimeter. Again this has 4 centimeter. Then this has again 4 centimeter. Join this. Like this. So this is a oblique sketch of square of side 4 centimeter. Here all the sides will be of 4 centimeter. So this is a cube. Of side 4 centimeter. Now let us draw isometric sketch of these two parts. Say question number 5th. A part. You have to draw it on isometric dot paper. Here length is 5 centimeter. So let us take length as 5 centimeter means 5 dots 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here breadth it is 3 centimeter. Here join 3 dots 1, 2 and 3. Here again 3 dots, that is 1, 2 and 3, and its height is 2 centimeter. Here join 2 dots, again from here 2 dots, again from here 2 dots, again from here 2 dots. Then here it is 3 dots 1, 2, 3. Here again 3 dots 1, 2, 3. Then you have to join this. It is 5 centimeter, that is 5 dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is again 5 dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again it is 5 dots, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your cuboid. Of dimension 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. Now come to B part. B part, you have to draw a cube of side 4 centimeter. Here let us take this side as 4 centimeter, that is 4 dots 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again from here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and your height is again 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. From here also 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again from here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here again also 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Join this, it is again 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Join this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Join this, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides will be of 4 centimeter. Here 4 dots you have to join. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your required cube of length 4 centimeter. Here you can see all the sides, that is length, breadth and height, are of 4 centimeter. So this is a cube.